The gondola ride to the top takes you directly over the rainforest canopy. And if you wish, you can take only the gondola part of the tour. There are also two walking tours, one over the top of the forest, and the other takes you down into the rainforest to two beautiful waterfalls. These hikes are great. And guess what? There are no mosquitoes in the rainforest, which was a very pleasant surprise. As you travel into the rainforest, it's not unusual to see many forms of local wildlife. The Sky Trek, or Zipline Tour, as it is called, starts with some simple instructions as the guides show you the safety procedures and how to stop at the end of the line. This really is an adventure for the whole family and is great fun for everyone.
Okay, the next cable is the longest and the fastest. So we are talking about 2,460 feet long or 750 meters long. So depending on your body position and your weight, you could reach about 45 miles per hour. So go and enjoy it, okay?